Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix shipping label not available on Stockx. Now shipping label is very important as it is gonna be your only way to track your merchandise or your items. So what can we do to fix this issue? Well, as you can see, there is already an article within Reddit post that's literally talks about it. So I have to choose one due tomorrow and one due the Friday. And for both of them, I can't access the shipping label or the invoice. When I click on the email, it sends me to the sending page, and when I use the application and click print label, I get a white page. I emailed them a bunch of times, and I know it's the holidays, but the shoes are due tomorrow, and I'm not sure what to do. So as you can see, he edited the article or the post, so we have the answers. So they emailed me back and said that there was an issue with the phone numbers, so they couldn't make a shipping label for them. I sent them the correct one and updated my StockX account. Hopefully they can give me extension. I got to respond this morning and I was able to get the shipping label and invoice. She didn't give me an extension unfortunately, but that's okay. So as you can see, the only problem that it was were simply the information. So make sure that your account, once you go here and you go to the setting, so let me go to here. Once you go to the setting and go to this area for the shipping and the payment method, make sure that both of them are correct. You don't want to put yourself in some situations, especially in holidays where the actual team are taking break and there is no time or no one to respond to you. So you literally are in your own. Make sure that you always verify or double check your information so you don't put yourself in such position. And yeah, with that being said, that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comments. And see you guys in the next upcoming videos.